This year, WFCT 2025 kicks off in Reno, Nevada, September 9th through the 11th, and it's starting with someone who's helped reshape the industry. Introducing Austin Cook, industry leader in the world of window tinting and automotive restyling, with over 17 years of hands-on experience. As the owner of Quality Tinting Signs, Austin and his wife Michaela scaled their brick-and-mortar shop into a 7-figure business. In 2017, he launched the Tintstitute, turning his personal passion into a global platform, inspiring hundreds of thousands of installers and small business owners while becoming the leading influencer in the industry. He's the creator of the 25 leadership hacks for businesses with under 25 team members, which contains proven strategies that have helped countless business owners build stronger cultures and more profitable companies. Today, he's recognized as the world's fastest growing small business coach, equipping business owners with the strategic blueprint to scale their operations, create multiple streams of revenue, and become the best version of themselves. And this September, he brings that same energy, insight, and impact to the main stage at WFCT 2025 as the official opening speaker. So don't miss the message that's changing the industry. I guarantee you it's going to be insane.